Hey, hi guys, so today we'll be learning how you can change the command prompt, and you will also be learning why the command prompt looks like what it does. So basically now I'm logged into my CentOS machine, I'm logged into the terminal, and you can see the command prompt looks like this right now. Okay, so I'm going to zoom it for you. So the command prompt looks like this right now for me. So it is saying root space hashtag, and that's it. So here I can type in any command that I want. So let's say if I'm typing I want to check the present working directory, so I'm going to type pwd. Let's say I want to change to the home directory, so I'm going to type the cd command, obviously. So, and I can do any command here basically, right? So but we are interested in how we can change the format of this command prompt. We want to make it look like what anything that we wish. Okay, so let's say, no, basically the thing is that the command prompt is specified by a format. That format is visible in this environment variable named ps1. To see the content of this variable, you have to echo it. So you have to do echo dollar ps1. So you can see here that the value of this variable, that is ps1, is basically right now /u space hash, and this is an alignment with the command prompt right now. Okay, so /u is the username, which is root here, space is as it is space, and then you have the hash symbol here. Okay, so this format is in alignment with the command prompt. Now let's say I want to change this format. Okay, so what do I want to change this format into? Let's say instead of hash, I want to have a dollar here. Okay, so to do so, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the value of ps1. So I'm going to set ps1 is the variable name equals to double quotes, and I'm going to put the value. So I want the username. For username, you have to type in u, and let's say I want dollar instead of the hash. So I'm going to do this and press enter. So now you can see the new command prompt looks like this, wherein you can see there is root and dollar. Again, zooming it for you. So okay, so it's root and dollar. Earlier it was root and hash, now it's root and dollar. Okay, now this is showing username and the dollar symbol, but let's say I'm interested in viewing the current directory. How do I do that? So for that, what I'm going to do, again I'll have to modify this variable, and I'll have to say that I want the username, and I also want the current directory. For current directory, you have to use a symbol w. Okay, and then if you want dollar, you can put the dollar also, and then press enter. Now small w stands for the home directory, and capital W stands for the current working directory. So I'm going to change the small w to the capital W in the variable and press enter. So in this case, if you see, I'm seeing the current working directory, which is the home directory. Now let's say I switch to some other directory for clarity. Let's say I'm switching to /home/ayush.bajaj/iSecure gateway directory. So now if you look at it, my current working directory is this, and if I want to see this current working directory in the command prompt, I'm going to hit this command again. Okay, now you are seeing that the current working directory iSecure gateway is visible. Okay, so I'm going to press Ctrl L and clear the screen. Here you can see that the current working directory is being shown in the command prompt. Okay, so I'm going to echo the value of the environment variable again. So echo dollar ps1. You can see the value here. Value is pretty much clear. It is username space the current working directory space dollar, which is in alignment with this. Now let's say I want to also have the host name visible in this. The host name can be checked by using the command hostname in lowercase. Okay, so my host name is ayush.accounts.hsdev. Okay, so it is ayush.accounts.hsdev. I want to see this name inside the command prompt. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to again change the value of this variable called as ps1. I want to have a username. Let's say I want to add the rate after that, and I want the host name. I want the complete host name, so capital H. Let's say I'm dropping the current working directory right now, and instead of dollar, I want, let's say, an arrow like this. Okay, so I'm going to press enter and see. Now this is again in alignment with what we set here. So what did we set as the command prompt format? The username, which is visible here, at the rate symbol. Okay, which is again visible here. Then you have the host name, which is ayush.accounts.hsdev, and then you have this string that you wrote. Okay. Now, obviously, it might be very clear to you. So whatever you put inside this variable will be the new command prompt. So let's say I want to put the command prompt like this: hi, type in the command here. So I want to put this at the command prompt and see. This is the new command prompt, and I can do a present working directory here. I can touch any file, let's say sample.txt. Okay, and the file will get created. So this is my new command prompt basically. Okay, this. So this is how you can change the command prompt, and that's it. Thank you so much.